Let us start with the ERP systems, guys. Let's start with the ERP systems. Okay. If you want to give the overall idea, guys, first of all, if I want to give the overall difference between both, let's observe now. This is the company, right? This is the company, guys. Okay, this is the company, right? It is restaurant, whatever it is. Okay, one company. The inside operations, the inside the company operations are maintained in ERP systems. ERP inside company operations, guys. Inside the company operations. Outside company operations are maintained by CRM systems. Inside the outside, guys. Inside company inside operations are maintained which one, ERP systems. The company outside operations are maintained where in CRM systems. That is one of the difference between both, guys. Now let's go one by one. First, ERP systems. Okay. So in the ERP system, guys, we integrate the internal business operations, guys. We integrate what? The internal business operations. ERP means enterprise. Enterprise resource planning. Resource planning, guys. ERP means what? Enterprise resource planning. Enterprise company resources planning. Okay, that is the full form. And we know CRM full form. We all know, guys. Okay, what is that one? Outside company. Outside company, who are their customers are there, right? Customers, guys. Okay, so that's why this is what, customer relationship management. Customer relationship management, guys. That is what, outside the company, right? Now I give the definition here. Hello, right? So ERP is one system, guys. Both are systems. So ERP is a system. ERP is a system that integrates. Okay, integrates and manages both, guys. It integrates plus manage. Which are integrates and manages the internal business processes or operations, guys. Okay, operations. Hello, right? ERP is a system that integrates plus manages, guys. It combines plus and manages. What combines? Because internally there are a lot of operations. There are a lot of departments are there. All of it. Internally, lot of departments are there. Like which departments are there? Which departments are there internally? HR department, finance department, manufacturing department, all of it, manufacturing department, logistics department, right? So like that, these are operations, guys. It integrates in one system. Plus, these all operations we manage also, guys. Integrates means what? In this system, it allows all these operations. Plus, the same system we can manage these operations. That's why. So it integrates what? Integrates and manages the internal operations. These all are internal operations, guys. Maintaining HR data, finance, manufacturing, logistics. These are internal data. Internal data, guys. All of you. Okay, right. So now, if you observe here, guys, if you observe to this one, I'll compare both and explain, guys. That is easy to understand. CRM is also a system. is also a system, is also a system, guys. But in this system, it allows what the interactions with customers. It allows, suppose, so this is one customer here, right? Customers are there. So in this system, it allows the customer interactions, guys. Customers data, customers complaints, customers interactions. Okay. So system, so that is used to manage what here, to manage the interactions, interactions of what, interactions of or interactions with the customers, guys. Okay, with customers, which interactions are, what is the examples here, all of you? Sales data it maintains, sales data, guys, sales data, or service data, CRVIC, service, sales data, service data, right? Okay, or marketing data, guys, marketing data, all right, marketing data, and the complaints data. If any complaints are there, complaints data, that all data it maintains, guys, all of them. So we do sales on the customers who are outside the company. We provide service to customer who are outside the company. We do marketing outside the company, and we take the complaints from outside the company, guys. But HRs are part of inside the company. HR, finance, and manufacturing, logistics. These all data maintains internally, internal data, right? Internal data, guys. Okay, we can take stock levels, guys. Okay, it means how many products are there, how many required now, how many is what you call it here, like inventory levels. That all data we can maintain in a ERP systems, guys. ERP systems, right? So what is the main goal of this one, sir? What is the main goal of ERP systems, sir, right? The main goal is cost control plus smooth internal operations, guys. Cost control plus smooth internal operations, right? So what is the meaning of cost control, sir? What is the meaning of cost control? Observe, guys, here. Suppose if you maintain a separate system for HR, a separate for finance, a separate for manufacturing, a separate for logistics, a separate system for inventory, then we have to maintain multiple systems, guys, right? We require multiple teams again for maintenance only. Okay, we have to provide multiple systems, which is costly, That's why to control the cost, don't take different systems for different departments. Just take one system. In that one system, you can integrate all the departments. Integrate all the departments, guys. In one system, if you integrate all the which one departments, then it is cost control, right? Controlling the cost, guys. Controlling the cost plus smooth operations. What is the meaning of smooth operations? I take one more, guys, here. Which one I can say that smooth internal operations, guys. Okay, internal operations here. What is the meaning of smooth internal operations? Smooth internal operations means, see, when you have different systems for different department, right? Okay, see, different systems with the different departments, guys, right? Now imagine, now this is HR, right? It is the HR, guys. Okay, it is HR, right? All of you. And this is what finance. This is what marketing. This is logistics. This is inventory, guys. For example, like this, right? Different systems are there. Now, so I am working on the manufacturing. I am working on the manufacturing department. I am using this one. Okay, because when you have the different systems, we require different persons to maintain, right? All of you. So now I am working on this manufacturing data, but I want to check what is the inventory level. I want to check what is the inventory level. But here inventory level is not there here. Inventory data is not there. There is inventory data in some other system, it is there. At that time, So it's not easy. Again, I'm going here, taking this request and accessing this data. Again, using the data here. It takes a little process, guys. It takes little process. That's why, suppose if all data available in single place, then we can easily access whatever data I want, guys. Right? When you perform a smooth operations, it increase the efficiency also. It increase what? Efficiency work, guys. Okay, work efficiency. Work efficiency, it increases. Right? When you come to here, what is the goal? What is the goal of this CRM? CRM, what is the goal here? Very simple, guys. When you maintain the customers' data here, customers' data, we can build a healthy relationship with customer, guys. First of all, we can build a healthy relationship with customer. Suppose, guys, observe now we are using some network, guys, some geo network, something like that. We are using it. We got some problem. We got some problem. Just we call to customer care. We call it customer care. So they take our like problem, guys. They take our problem and they store in their database. Narayana given so and so problem. Like then they raise the ticket. That all internal process. So when I give the complaint, they have taken my complaint here, right? So within 1 day or 2 days, okay, that the service person will come and he will solve the problem, guys. Solve the problem maybe in 1 day or 2 days like that. Suppose imagine now when I called to that customer care, he did not save my data. He did not save my data. He listened my problem. He said that okay, I'll solve the problem. But he may forget. He may forget, right? There is a possibility of forgetting here. So then he may forget to inform the service person. Then I don't get service person. Then my problem will not solve. Will not solve. Hello, right? Will not solve here. Okay, so that's why at that time as a customer we are not happy with the business, guys. As a customer, not happy with this geo. Why? Because I raised a problem, but no solution. 1 day over, 2 days over, 3 days over, no solution is there. But when they record my problem, then it will save work permanently. There's no concept of forgetting here, right? So compulsorily, maybe a little bit delay, maybe 1 day delay, but compulsorily the problem will solve. That's called what? Maintaining a healthy relationship with customer, guys. All of them, right? That's called the customer satisfaction also. Customer satisfaction, okay? So this CRM main goal is to improve what here? Improve customer satisfaction, guys, okay? To improve customer satisfaction. First point, guys, all of them. When the customer is very happy, automatically what does he do? He recommend other customers, guys. All right. When he's very happy with the service, automatically give reference. That means what is happening here? Increasing sales, guys, right? Increasing sales automatically. So by satisfying the existing customers, what they are doing, they're increasing the sales. They're increasing the sales, guys, all of them, right? And so what I told here, healthy relationship and customer satisfaction, right? Increasing the sales. These are the goal of which one, guys? CRM systems. The goal of the data, which is maintaining the CRM systems, guys. All of them. It is used by whom? Used by employees or managers, right? Means or admins, guys. Means the person who are inside the company, they can use which one? ERP systems, guys. ERP systems, right? But who will use CRM? CRM means like they are also employees only, guys. But the employees who are mostly going for the work outside the company, guys. All right, going to field work. See, some employees always busy in the office. Some employees always busy outside the office. Outside the office. Suppose if you see, guys, if you observe now, in our companies, right, or else our company outside, guys, outside always. Some people are eating there. Like, sir, take my credit card, sir. Take my bank loan, sir. So those are the employees of the banks, sir. But they are outside the employees, guys, not sitting inside, not doing inside work. There can be a sales team, there can be a marketing team, all of right. Okay, that's why. So these systems are used by whom? It is used by whom? Tell me. You can be sales team, guys. You can be sales team, right? Or marketing team, marketing team, right? The marketing team, guys, all of them, right? Or customer supporting team also will be there. Customer supporting, supporting, right? Supporting team, guys. The team which supports customers, right? Okay, right. Pradeep Vanna, yes. Customer service person, customer sales, correct, right? So if you observe now, these all teams, the employees who are in these teams, they're always busy outside the company, and these people are always busy inside the company, inside the company, guys, all of them. Inside the company, right? And the last point is the main focus of these systems. The main focus of ERP systems is which operations office, or you can say back office operations, guys. You can say that back office operations, back office, right? And this is called what? Front office, right? Back office and the front office, guys. Okay. So the main focus of CRM is what here? Front front office, right? You can say front office means what, guys? Who come to front office? Customers. Okay. Customers come to front office, guys. All of them. Can say here these systems cannot be seen by whom? Seen by customers, guys. Okay, because it used to be only internal employees only, right? And here these systems are seen by whom? Customers, guys. They can seen by customers. I can say that ERP runs the company, guys. ERP systems run the company. ERP systems. So what they do? They run the company. They run the company. Then CRM, what they do? CRM systems or system. CRM systems grow grow the company, guys. Okay, grow the company. No, you can understand the meaning of both. ERP systems run the company, but CRM grow the company, guys. Grow the company. Grow the company. How it grows? Because of by like interact with customers. But here, what we do? Interact with customers. When we have the more customers, automatically the business will grow. When customers are not there, automatically the business will shut down very soon. Hello, right? For every business, what is important? Tell me now. The customers most important, guys. The customers and the quality, right? So those are most important for every business.